Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today I am unbagging a Brahmin bag. A while ago, it's been quite a while ago, I posted a shorts video of this bag inside of the box when it was delivered. And I never recorded to show what the bag actually looks like. And hopefully I can get this drawstring open because it's pretty snug. There we go. But this particular color and pattern is called the FallStruck. And the bag itself, I will have to double check the tag because I don't think it's a weekender, but I'll double check. But it's definitely meant to be carried as luggage. And I hope it fits in the whole shot. It's a pretty good sized bag. But it does have the Brahmin plate. I don't know if that's in the... There we go. It does have the Brahmin plate. I did notice, depending on the actual print or pattern or color, some Brahmins do not have the plate. I know they have a duffel bag that's solid black that does not have a plate, and some others as well. But this one does. It does have feet. There's a total of 5 feet, 2 here and 1 in the center and 2 on this side as well. The colors are what definitely drew me to this pattern, print colors. In addition to the size, I think it's a very good size for a weekend bag or a carry-on the plane as well. You can definitely pair it with really any color suitcase that you would want to, or just carry it alone. It does have a side pocket that goes all the way to the bottom. And then on the back, it also has a pocket that goes to the bottom as well. This one is a little bit more snug to try to get your hands in, but you can definitely fit something in there that's of length so that it's easy to get out. This is called the Spencer FallStruck Melbourne. Did I say awestruck at the beginning? I think I said awestruck, y'all, but it's FallStruck. Spencer FallStruck Melbourne. The awestruck is very similar to this pattern as well. But this is the actual retail price of it. Of course, I did not pay that much for this bag at all. But I would definitely keep that there. And another side pocket on this side. I'm not sure if this is the same side I did at first, but there's a pocket on each end. And let's unzip it. The zipper does go all the way down to the side. And the Brahmin zipper, does it have Brahmin on it? It does. I'm not sure how that's coming up on camera. And you see the loops there. It does have for the shoulder strap as well. And here is the shoulder strap. It does have the wide padding on it so that it won't dig into your shoulder. And it does have the Brahmin medallion hang tag there as well, logo hang tag. So this is my first piece of actual Brahmin luggage. And I saw it the first time that I went to the Brahmin factory store and did not get it. And when I went back, it was gone. but they were able to actually order it for me from another store. And I think the price was cheaper than it was when I went the first time. So it actually worked out pretty good, y'all. As you can see, this is a very good sized bag. So you can definitely pack a few items in here. You have room for shoes. Of course, you would put your shoes inside of a shoe bag, but you can pack a lot in here. Depending on how you pack, if you only wanted to travel with one bag, I think you could get away with it with this one. So on the front side of it, there's not a pocket or anything here. On the back side, I probably should show it the other way. It's probably easier to see this way. On the back side, there is a very big zipper that goes from here all the way over to the other side. So it has the Brahmin registration cards inside. And that pocket, it feels like it's really the whole back side of this bag is how long this zipper is. The pockets, they do have the trim, the FallStruck trim as well. 2 slip pockets, they're the same size. And then there's another zipper here. Oh, that's my receipt in there. That it doesn't go all the way to the bottom, but it goes to the bottom of the slip pocket, if that makes sense. So I don't see, oh, I did see. I took it out of the dust bag. So, and that's how they packed it. They pack it in the dust bag and put it in the box and ship it that way with all the stuffing and paper and everything. So it was shipped very well. I received it pretty quickly. I would say it took maybe 3 days for me to receive it. And I will unwrap the handles. So I do want to find more pieces in this same print. I don't believe it's in production anymore. It's at least maybe a couple years or so old. But I still want to find more pieces. I have a couple more, but I don't really have accessories. So I want to get at least one accessory, 1 or 2 accessories, so I'll have what I would consider a complete set. And then that way, it would not be hard at all to even add different color accessories with it. So even if I can't get an actual FallStruck print, there's more than enough colors here for me to pull from to where I could easily find an accessory or any other silhouette that I would want to pair with this one to use it in addition to this bag. So this is it, y'all. Let me know if y'all like the Brahmin Spencer and this color, again, which is in FallStruck. I definitely believe that this is a color or print color combination that can be paired, like I said, with many different luggage colors, and I would say it's timeless. I don't think that it would be considered dated in the years to come. So I plan on using this for a while, and hopefully I can keep the corners as they are. Definitely would not check this, so it would definitely be either for road trips or carry on only. So I'm looking forward to using it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting. I do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. As always, have a wonderful day.